Hello, my name is Hailey Bodewig, the President of New Development of Disney International. It is with great joy that I announce the new development of our ever-so-encompassing theme parks that are spread nationwide. This new addition will incorporate 500 acres bordering the Tokyo-Wan Inlet due southeast of Eurasia, Japan. This theme park will be introduced into a new market of new diverse cultures, advanced technological devices, and wide trade markets. The delivery of this theme park will be fall of 2019, allowing us adequate time to learn the market and allow our widespread entertainment to be known as a part of the Japanese culture by opening day. At this time, our goal as a new development team is to allow you, our marketing analysts, to become a part of the market, allowing Disney to take advantage and adaptive new views as Tokyo Disney. Disney is a company known for creating an experience with children and families worldwide. These experiences are renowned for providing lifelong memories in children, teenagers, and adults. We make characters come to life and represent a piece of life that teaches lessons while leaving minds with imaginations greater than when they arrived. Our ultimate goal with opening this new theme park in Tokyo is to adapt new cultures and be the best experience that any child, adult, or family member could experience. Our first goal of achieving a place within this new culture is by integrating and adapting our mission statement. Our mission of Walt Disney Company is to be one of the world's leading producers and providers of entertainment and information. Using our portfolio of brands to differentiate our content, services, and consumer products, we seek to develop the most creative, innovative, and profitable entertainment experiences and related products in this world. As a leader in the world of entertainment, we strive to perform with renowned leadership and management teams that differentiate our brand from any other on the market. Our strategic direction for the Walt Disney Company focuses on the generation that best creates content, fostering innovation, and utilizing the latest technology while expanding into new markets around the world. Our management teams committed to excellence allow leadership skills to encompass a new market. Our executive team's visions and strategic directions deliver stories, characters, and experiences that are welcomed into the hearts and homes of millions of families around this world. Now as we embark on a new journey in an unknown land, we are to apply our mission, leadership roles, and management team's thoughtfulness to the cultures we seek to invest. In order to do so, we need to become a part of Tokyo through cultural interactions. We need to create an experience that Tokyo has never indulged in, allowing characters to be born unlike any we have visioned. It is time for change, it is time for adaptation, and most importantly, a new future for Disney. In order to apply our marketing skillfulness, we need to follow suit in understanding the culture, allowing cultural changes to affect our characters, brand, and adapt to new identities, and most importantly, develop characters and stories that envelop love of children, adults, and families. It is essential that we do not change the culture in Tokyo, but rather let the cultures change us and our story. You, as analysts, ensure that Disney's practices to follow our mission are evident in the building blocks of the development of Tokyo Disney. Use resources wisely and allow Japan to be a part of you while analyzing the market over the next 6 months. Let's build Tokyo Disney to our fullest potential and not leave a single detail out.